Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you that Facebook professional mode option is not showing in your Facebook account and how you can fix it. Okay, so first of all you have to go into the Facebook app and just click over here three lines, and after that you have to go into your profile. Okay, and on the three dots you can see, when you will click on three dots which is on right side corner on the sidebar, okay, you can see there is no professional mode which should be showing here. So what you have to do, first of all you have to take a screenshot of this. You have to just go back. Okay, and after that you have to scroll it down, and you have to click on help and support, and you have to select the third option, that is report a problem. Okay, and you have to click on okay. So this is a check phone to report a problem. So you have to just go back. Okay, click on the three dots and you have to shake over here. Okay, as you can see, when you will shake your phone you will get an option automatically which will show in your screen to report a problem. You have to click on report a problem. Okay, and you have to select the include in report, so the image is automatically recorded. You don't need to take screenshot in the latest version of this Facebook app. Okay, and here you have to describe the issue, that you are not getting a professional Facebook mode which should be in your profile, which should be in your Facebook account, and it is very necessary for it for my Facebook account. So please look into my account. So I have to type something like this. So basically you have to explain the issue to the Facebook, whoever who is going to see over your account. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found it helpful video, and if you did then like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.